Squeeze page, landing page, home page. There are so many terms in digital marketing that can easily confuse you. Especially when you're newbie, it is easy to get overwhelmed by all the new things around you. And if you do not understand the basics in the first place, how are you even supposed to have conversions? How to be a great digital marketer? Hi guys, my name is Ishan. I am the founder of Social Merger Web Solutions, and in this video I am going to tell you the one such online marketing basic thing that can surely help you to kickstart your online business and capture leads, and that is Squeeze page. But before we get started, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So what is Squeeze page and how it is different from landing page? Well, basically squeeze page are a form of capture page, and as a squeeze page has only main purpose of existence, and that is capturing leads. And a landing page could be any web page where a user could land while browsing the internet. Like it could be a home page for your website, it could be a blog or article page. So in simple terms, we can say as a squeeze page is the landing page with the sole purpose of collecting email address of your visitors. Okay, whereas a landing page itself can consist of information about a single product you might be promoting. It could be in text or image or video format to educate your prospect about your offer. And a squeeze page is a strategically designed in a quite compact and a shorter format than your regular landing page. So most squeeze pages hardly consist of any video and any major content or any graphic content, so that the visitor can only focus on CTA, that is to enter their email address or their information. Alright, so now you know a bit of what is squeeze page. But now let's talk about why do you need squeeze page, right? Well, squeeze page is highly important as it is one of the best way of capturing email addresses of your target audience. And I cannot put more weight on how important having an email list of your prospect, because emails are still the best way to connect with your audience and convert them into your loyal customers. Okay, and do you know squeeze page often use different persuasions and psychological techniques to collect email addresses from visitors, so that you can later on use email marketing strategies to push them down your sales funnel. Alright, and if you want to know more about email marketing, don't forget to visit and subscribe to my channel for more useful videos on it. There's a lot of videos regarding email marketing and how you can utilize to grow your business. Now let's discuss about what are the essentials of squeeze page. Well, as I told you earlier, basically squeeze page is quite simple and mainly CTA focused, or you can say call to action focused. But there are some essential elements that every squeeze page must have regardless of your industry or niche, and I suggest you to consider these points for building a highly converting squeeze page. Firstly, your squeeze page must have a clear, catchy headline that could grab your visitor attention, right? Second, and the most important thing, is a clear call to action button. And thirdly, it should have a limited time or expiration date of an offer that creates sense of urgency for your visitor to act now. And another thing that your squeeze page should have is your trade logo or a customized theme that makes it unique and recognizable. Plus, it could have some graphic content or images, but make sure not to overdo, as a primary focal point should be a CTA button and not the content. Okay, and lastly, I could have some text about why your visitor should sign up to your email list. Keep in mind to keep the written content short. Get that? Okay, now once you build a squeeze page, or if you have already have a squeeze page, you can always optimize your squeeze page so that you can improve the results, you can improve the conversions. And how you can improve your conversions, let's find out. Well, I have some of my pro tips for you that can help you to make your squeeze page better. And the number one tip is do not distract your visitors. Keep it simple, add less elements on your squeeze page and it can distract your visitor. Tip number two that I have for you is you can use graphics like arrow or pointers to direct the visitor attention towards your CTA button. And the tip number three, I will suggest you to write a customized content for your CTA button to make it more personal or appealing to your visitor. Like you can write something, show me the free video, or maybe save $100 now, instead of just like writing a boring subscribe now button. Okay. And lastly, I would say always keep trying and testing different things to know what works best for your squeeze page, like trying different page design, trying different headlines, apply the one and that gives you the highest amount of leads or opt-in rate. Okay, so that was it for this video and we have come to the end of this video. Feel free to use the comment section if you have any queries or suggestion. I will try to reply each and every one in the comment section. And last, if you found this particular video useful and if you think that you could also want to be a part of my community, I want you to join my Facebook group now. Link is already mentioned in the description box below. Go and join it right now and I'm looking forward to engage you within the group and I will see you there. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching it so far. Cheers. Bye bye.